I've always believed that the bolder the dream is, the sweeter the reward. People used to ask, oh, are you an astronaut? And my answer was never no. It was always, not yet.
Hey, Kellie. I'm so excited you're here.
I'm so excited to be here.
This is where you're going to be spending time training to go to space. And
I like to say that the most extraordinary thing about me is that I'm an ordinary person who's going to be flying to space to conduct research with Virgin Galactic. One of the most incredible parts about this journey is that I get to follow in the footsteps of one of my best friends.
This is our Under Armour spacesuit. It's custom built for your space flight. A lot of people talk about the overview effect, that cognitive shift in awareness when astronauts see Earth from space. When I saw the planet that really encompassed everything I ever knew, I was so energized to come back and create positive change in any way I could. So the flight simulator is what our team and our pilot corps uses to keep up their proficiency.
I'm just going to do a couple of quick things so that
To me, space has always represented the absolute best of humanity. I'm just filled with hope for the future that my daughter inherits. She's just going to grow up knowing that not even the sky is a limit. The dream has always been not just going to space myself, but also helping open up access.
Are you ready to take a drive to your actual launch pad?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Representation matters. Young girls can't really see themselves in a role model that they don't share something with. It's all about diversifying the faces of space, of our industry, of science, of technology, to really inspire the next generation. This was the last piece of Earth I touched before I launched to space on Virgin Galactic. Everyone's journeys are different, but we all start on common ground.
I just want to be the best version of myself that I can, and I want to reach my absolute biggest potential wherever my curiosity takes me.